Okay, harms associated. Where are we now? So it's always been a war on people and not drugs. So we see it, the U.S. prison population has surged disproportionately. Black folks, communities of color are incarcerated at higher rates than white folks. Our public health issues, as I mentioned, overdose, over 100,000 people a year. Our neighbors, our family members, our loved ones are dying. HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis. We continue to see rises. Right now, we have a huge outbreak in a small community in Texas because we haven't got these harm reduction measures into place in a timely manner and done good education and really focus on help for folks that have substance use disorder and supporting folks that use drugs to do it in a very safe way. Also, the economic cost. The war on drugs is very expensive. We do not put in the resources for mental health and other things, as I mentioned. Law enforcement, billions spent yearly. Lost productivity, so many lives that we lose due to incarceration and how that affects our economy or not getting people the help that they need. The family disruptions, families torn apart, families like mine. When I was a child, my mother was incarcerated due to drug-related crimes, and community impact, just how this affects everyone. You've heard my personal story, John's, and I'm sure everyone on here has one, because drugs, overdose deaths, this affects everyone. And then global impacts. Our harsh drug policies, other countries' harsh drug policies, has bled over with violence and instability. This is a policy issue. Prohibition and criminalizing drugs leads to violence. It leads to harm. And you see it with deportation. You see it with immigration, aggressive eradication campaigns, and that often leads to human rights abuses.